Good afternoon. It's February 9th, 2023, and we had a pretty big downtrend day today. This is how I saw it. This is how I played it with this pretty large trend down in the center, um, and we hit the measured move of the overnight range, but we trended down even further. Um, so let's take a look at these trades. A few minutes till market closes. So in the overnight, we were in this pretty big uptrend, uh, and we got a break, and then just some sideways stuff. So perhaps the main channel was that people were playing was this one, um, because then you get a break and two legs up to a new high, and we're just going sideways. So that could very well be it. But yeah, then we're just going sideways. So when you get this reversal pattern right here, you might take that. It does look like a lot of bullish momentum, but this one closes beneath the EMA, so you might be a little hesitant there. Um, Here we got a failure reversal type setup. It just does not look that good. It looks very congested, like choppy, both sides of the EMA. Not a fan. Then we come down here. We have this channel down. You get an overshoot that leads to a break. And then you get this. This is actually a failed second entry long, but it's also a second entry short. But the signal bar is just not good. And then we just have more sideways stuff. And perhaps you take, I mean, you could argue for this to be a double test right there. And that's a good signal bar. And it looks like there's room back to the EMA, but it doesn't, like this swing is much lower than these two. So I just think I think you're really testing the definition of a double test. Get a nice move down, and then we get a break. You don't get a setup to go short, unfortunately. And then we're just going sideways. So you get this leg up of correction. So, chances are you'll probably get a second leg up because we already have a break a new low of this channel. So, and we do end up getting that second leg up. And you come down here and you have a second entry short confirming that trend channel, but unfortunately it's no signal bar. Then you get a nice move down. We come up short of the trend channel. We come up here, go sideways a little bit, and they probably just trap a bunch of longs thinking that we're going to get another leg up and break this channel. But I don't see a way to enter that. But then when we come up short of the trend channel again, we start to go sideways. That's what leads to the break. So we're going sideways here, and you do get like a double or triple test and a second entry short and a fail break higher. So you might take that, but with two swings that didn't hit the bottom of the channel, I think and this being sideways, I think you got to sit out. I'm seeing now this. I mean, people have. Perhaps you take this as a reversal right here, but you're going into the lows, so you don't want to do that. That probably got you a scalp, but nothing more. And that's what leads to this break. And let's draw this short-term channel. So you get a break and a move to a new high, and then we get a second leg to a new high. Then you get this lower high, and then you get a really nice sell-off there, but there's no way to enter that. And that's the break of this channel, so you would expect a new low. However, you're going right into the overnight lows. So, I don't think you want to be aggressive there, is what I'm trying to say. But we get a break and 2 legs down to a new low here. And then you get this reversal setup that they probably trapped a bunch of longs there. That does look pretty tempting. But it doesn't, so if you follow the rules, it doesn't trigger anyway. The reason I'm saying it's tempting is you have this channel down, break, 2 legs down to a new low, bullish momentum taking us through the EMA. But it shot, this leg down shot way below the overnight lows. So, there's reasons to think we're going to go lower. So we start going sideways here. And this is probably the best trade yet of the day. So sideways, we get a break higher, lower high, and that's a second entry short. You can see plenty of people like that. Then I feel like we formed this new channel. So you get this leg down, then you get a measured move down right here. You get confirmation, actually confirmation right here, but there's no setups on this. We come down here and you get this break, and it looks like a second entry short, but the reason I even marked it aggressive was just because of how strong this downtrend is. And it looks like a repeat pattern of this right here. You see a double bottom, boom, leg down, double bottom, boom, leg down. So I just looked at it as a second entry short. And then we're just keep going down. So you get this second entry short right here. That's also a failed second entry long. This is probably so I think I had to pause for a minute. I think I was getting ready to draw these trend lines. Yeah, look at that. So here you have a second entry short and failure off of the trend line. And that confirms the trend line. You got to take that, and that's a nice move down. And you can see on a smaller scale, you get this leg down, break, move to a new low. Let's say that's it. Break, 2 legs down to a new low. Looks like it made a third little leg, and then it reverses. And I don't think you want to take technically what the reversal pattern is, which is here. Oh, and now I'm seeing it bounces off that measured move. Let's move this over a little. But when you get that second entry long, because this has been a down day all day. So yes, this is aggressive, but you have a break of this channel. This is like the first time we went above the EMA, second entry long. On the measured move, you can see we bounce there down here too. I mean, maybe you take that. I'm marking it blue. You could argue it's green because of the context. But yeah, so. So that's a look at the day. Hope everyone had a great day, and I will be back tomorrow.